Hi, I'm Habib from CARONIC. Today we installed the Android multimedia system for the Nissan Patrol. This is for the 2020 design. This is called Nissan Patrol 2014. It's full option. It has one headrest also, and this is the for camera and the parking sensor also. This DVD have with 3 different capacity with 4 GB RAM, 32 GB memory, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB memory, and 6 GB RAM, 128 GB memory. And it's full functional. You can control your AC from the device or via your panel. You can access your camera. So you can, this is for the dim light. Okay. If you have navigation, you have radio channel. You can control the radio from here. You can change the channel, increase, decrease the volume, and also the button for the answering and decline. Also, you can connect here. Stop the music. You can play music from the USB, which is here, on the console here. Yes, and this is also support the SIM card, data SIM card. So you have the Bluetooth. You can connect your mobile. Okay, I will then turn on your Bluetooth from your mobile. Press the search here, and here your mobile, your device name. That is the password, the PIN password, and the card name. It's on. This is 4x0 PIN, and it's Yalla. You have the. You can download your phone book here. You have the call log, and you have the dial. You can dial from here or dial from your mobile. Also, you dial from the mobile. Also here, you can answer and decline from the string or here. You want to play from the mobile. When you connect it, then you want to play music. Just go here and press the Bluetooth music. Alas, and you have video. Then when this is have the very good option, one option. When in your USB, you have here have multi-file. Okay, you have the video, you have game, you have documents, PDFs, pictures. Okay, when you plug in here, when you play, just go to the video. Okay, press then. All video is sorted here. Okay, there is not showing others documentary. Okay, when it's play here in the video, the kids can see in the headrest. The 2 headrests is working at the same time. This is the menu, air condition. You can control AC from here. Okay, dual on maximum, turn off, turn on. The right side, left side, rear AC, front AC, and so also from here you can control. You have also car information, which show you the fuel. Also, there is the GPS maps here. This Google Meet to connect to the internet, connect to the Wi-Fi. Turn on the color spot. Also, you can download the application from the Play Store. You sign into your Gmail account, give your Gmail account, and you install the application. And it has CarPlay. That is very important. Okay, when you connect to the Bluetooth, okay, then you turn on your use here shows use CarPlay. Okay, that's CarPlay. You have phone, present, contact, keyboard, music, message, and maps. This is all the features for this Nissan Patrol. Hopefully you like it. Thank you very much for watching this video.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.